Hello and welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can extract text from an image using a free online tool. My name is Isaac and this is a minute with AI. Now, to achieve this, we're going to use a website called commontools.org. What you need is just to go to this website, commontools.org, and it will take you to this platform. And this platform contains hundreds of tools that you can use for free. You can go ahead and try out as many as you want. And what we want to try out is this tool called Image to Text Converter. So I'll go ahead and click on it. And here we can upload our image to try out. So I already have this image. I have this image that I want to convert to text. This is a screenshot of an image that contains text, and I will wish to extract this text from this image. So what we're going to do is to upload this image into the tool, and then let's see how this tool converts this image into text. So what I'll do here is click on browse, and then it will take me to where I have the image. My image is under downloads, and I'll open it. Now here you can see the image, and you can see it is being extracted here. Give it some few seconds for the process to complete. And as you can see, the text has been extracted from our image. As you can see, the first word is non-commercial, while the last word is will you do it. And from the image, it is the same, non-commercial and will you do it. However, you may realize that there is some misspelling. For instance, this was worlds. The original word was worlds, but here the tool has misspelled it. You can see this is careers. It has as well misspelled it. So in as much as it helps us convert this image into text, you may want to go ahead and make some changes to fine-tune your document to ensure that it is up to date or it contains the correct information. From here, what you need to do is to highlight the text and then copy it and paste it wherever you want. Let me know if you have an alternative that gives you the best results or better results than this, and also let me know if you have tried this tool out. If this video was helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel. Thank you for watching, and let's meet in the next video.